Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the February Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month includes 4 brand new collections each and every month. You'll get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. We also have 3 add-ons, the cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishment add-ons, so you can beef up your kit even more. Also check out the Shots of Life because it coordinates with your Flavors of the Month, so it's a great add-on as well. Along with your kit, you're going to receive a sample of gourmet coffee so you can brew that up and sip on it as you create with our design team. You'll also receive access to 4 recipe cards, one for each one of the 4 collections. So these are recipe cards for double page layouts. They're designed by our design team. They'll give you cutting and assembly instructions and then a full color photograph of the finished layout so you can see what it's going to look like, and you can create right along with our design team. Also, come on over to the Facebook group, join in on the challenges. We have sketches and the Freaky Fast Friday and just lots of inspiration. So this month our 4 collections are Let's Celebrate from Cartabella. We have Cupid and Company from Echo Park, and Hello Today from Simple Stories, and Sweet Talk from Simple Stories. So we have birthday, Valentine's Day, and every day of the year. So let's dig in and let's take a closer look at everything you're going to get in your kits this month. Our first collection from Cartabella is Let's Celebrate, and this is a birthday collection that has multiple colors in it, so it's good for boys or girls. This paper here has all the party hat and the streamers and the little blowers, some cake and the confetti. The back is a green polka dot. This one is called Party Palooza. And then we have the little noise makers here and all the different colors. The back is this gorgeous blue and it has streamers coming out. So it's a tone on tone. This one's called Hip Hip Hooray. I have another one with all the different streamers and the different colors on a white background with the confetti. And the back is a striped. This one is called Celebration. So one more look at the patterned paper. You'll also receive 2 sheets of white cardstock. For the embellishments, it's the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So these are always chock full of embellishments. We have that blue streamer in a border, and then a scalloped border that spells out Celebrate, and then a really thin striped one. So this is a lot of fun. Some banner up here, decorate the top of your pages. You're going to see all of those fun birthday icons throughout here, from the blow up balloons and the noise makers. We've got Pin the Tail on the Donkey. So many fun ways to document birthdays. So that is Let's Celebrate from Cartabella. This is Cupid and Company from Echo Park, so a beautiful Valentine collection. I'm going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. This paper, that's all the beautiful flowers and the pink and the red. The back is a gray and white gingham. Just love that gingham on this, and that touch of gray. Then we have this one that's the cut apart. So we have 4 by 6, some 3 by 4s, and then these little fun sizes that can be tucked in, and then some really long ones. So this is a lot of fun. This is kind of different. Love the little trucks with the flowers. This border that says I love you, and then the pink and white striped border. So you can have a lot of fun with that paper. The back is this gorgeous shiplap print with the little hearts scattered over. That's just gorgeous together. That paper is called Multi-Journaling Cards. Then we have this, that's a text on the black, so it kind of looks like a chalkboard effect. And the back is a pink and white stripe. This one is called Love Words. Some beautiful, beautiful papers there. For your embellishments, you're going to receive some enamel dots. These are really great. Colors will vary. But these are little tiny ones. Are those not cute? Sometimes I have a hard time using the big ones, so this is a lot of fun. Then you're going to get a tag from Pretty Little Studio. So this is just kind of a die cut tag out of white cardstock. It says Be Mine. That is really cute. So these will vary among the kits, but that's what I got. And then some ephemera pieces to tuck in and embellish with. So that is Cupid and Company from Echo Park. Our next collection is Hello Today from Simple Stories. So this collection's made so that you have something for each and every month. But there's also all of this gorgeous pattern in this collection as well. So be sure to check it out. We have 2 sheets of craft cardstock. This paper is for November, has this beautiful floral print, and the butterflies are in color. I just love that. And then the backs of all of these are going to be cut apart, and they're going to have a 4x6 monthly title card, a 3x4 calendar, and then lots of other sizes in the 4x6 and 3x4 that you can use for journaling. As you can see, these really have nothing to do with November. You can use them for any month whatsoever. Remember what matters most, everyday happiness, the highlights, documented. It's just super cute. This one is September's paper, so it's a yellow kind of gold polka dot. And then again, you're going to see that month card, the calendar, and then lots of things to journal with. Now this one has a file folder, says check it out. This is my story. We've got the pencils and pens. The struggle is real. And then our final paper is this one, and this is for March. So we have a turquoise print with a little bit of foliage on there. The back, again, the monthly card, the calendar, and then lots for journaling and tucking in. Reality check, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. This is real life. So this collection is just a lot of fun to work with. I hope you're going to enjoy it. That's your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get one of the chipboard frames, so these will vary among the kits. And then you're going to get some chipboard pieces, and again, these will vary, and some ephemera pieces. So this is what I got. This will give you a good sampling, but lots of fun to have with this collection. So that's Hello Today from Simple Stories. Our final collection is another Valentine collection. This is from Simple Stories called Sweet Talk. You're going to start with 2 sheets of walnut cream cardstock. The pattern paper is this one called Love's in the Air, and it has the clouds with the little airplanes flying the banners that says love you and love is in the air. The back is a plaid in the peach and the darker red and the pinks and that little minty green. This one is called All of My Heart, and it has just lots of different sizes of hearts. I love the stripe and the polka dot peeking in there on the pink, and the back is a black and white striped. This one is called Love Is, and it's got the cute little flowers on kind of that minty green, and the back is this red print. I just love this. This has got a country vibe to it. I love that paper. So one more look at your patterned paper. Then for your embellishments, you're going to get some of the foam phrases. So these are stickers. I have Always and Love. Those will vary. So these are on foam. I love those. You're going to get some enamel dots, and of course these were going to vary in the colors. I got that kind of bright pink. And then you're going to get some of the ephemera pieces. So these are so cute. We have the little panda bear who needs a bear hug. We have the Chinese Let's Get Lost Together with the socks. You're My Whole World. I Love You a Waffle Lot. Love Potion. So this is such an adorable Valentine's collection. I know you're going to enjoy using it. So one more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out all of the add-ons available and the Shots of Life. I'll have links down here at the end, and you can click on those and see what's all included in those. And then come join us on the Facebook group. Join in the challenges. We're having so much fun over there. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.